Hello everyone, myself Nisha Malik, Assistant Professor from Department of Physiotherapy. Welcome to our YouTube channel which is RPIT Academics. If you like the content of our videos, please subscribe and share our channel. So next topic is group action of muscles. First one is prime movers, or we can say agonist, then antagonist, synergist and fixators. So first, what is prime movers? They are the muscles who bring about the movement by contraction. They are responsible for most of the forces generated in the movement. For example, for shoulder abduction, deltoid is acting as the prime mover. Antagonist. These are the muscles that are opposing group of prime movers. They relax and are lengthened either passively or eccentrically to allow controlled movement. For example, shoulder adductors lengthen passively during abduction, knee extension lengthen eccentrically during knee flexion in standing to sitting position. Then what is synergist? They work or relax to modify the movement of the prime movers. They may alter the direction of pull. Prime mover or even a multi-joint muscle is the prime mover. Fix a joint where movement is not required in a position of advantage. For example, rotator cuff in shoulder alter the pull of deltoid and create abduction. Without them, the deltoid would create upward translation. While making a fist, the finger flexors are agonist. They are multi-joint muscles and can flex the wrist too. The wrist extensors act as synergists and fix the wrist in extension so that the force of prime movers are used only in fingers. Then indications. First is curative, in which muscles weakness or paralysis bond to increase density. Aerobic system improve aerobic capacity. Other connective tissue improve pliability to and strength. Then second is preventive, to preserve muscle power in all the condition where muscle weakness is anticipated, to live a healthy life with the high levels of fitness. Third is preparative, to prepare for some specific activity where the adaptation of resistance exercise will be useful. For example, training for arm muscle of a boxer will prepare him for a better performance. Then fourth is recreative. Various form of resistance training is used as sports and recreation activity like bodybuilding. Then causes of muscle weakness and paralysis. First is a lesion in motor pathway. Lesion in brain or spinal cord, spastic paralysis example, stroke, spinal cord injury. Then B.